Hey there YouTube, Chemistry Tutors here, and this is the first series of Introduction to Chemistry, and this is the episode Chemical and Physical Change. Well, what is a chemical reaction? We can define a chemical reaction as a process that involves the rearrangement of the molecular or ionic structure of a substance, and this is distinct from a change in physical form or a nuclear reaction. We can basically say a chemical reaction involves the breaking of bonds in a substance and the formation of new bonds. An example of this could be burning wood in a fireplace or adding vinegar and baking soda. Some common examples of chemical reactions include burning wood. This is a combustion reaction and lots of heat and light energy is released. Adding baking soda, or in chemistry terms, sodium hydrogen carbonate to vinegar or ethanoic acid. This is a neutralization reaction and lots of carbon dioxide is released. Baking a cake or frying an egg and adding potassium metal to water. Or for you biologists, cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Chemical change versus physical change. Well, in a chemical change, a new substance is always formed. At the molecular level, bonds are always formed and broken. An example of this could be on your bike. Iron is rusting, and this is forming iron oxide. Well, another chemical reaction must take place to get the products back to the starting reactants. In a physical change, the substance may change appearance or state, and some of the properties may change, but no new substance is produced. Some observations of chemical change. Well, this could include changing in heat or energy. Some energy may be released, and this is called an exothermic reaction, such as burning wood, or absorb heat, and this is endothermic, and this could be where the temperature decreases. This could be such as mixing barium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. Something could start to fizz or bubble, and you could see this when you add baking soda into vinegar. You could release products which have different smells. An example of this is when you make an ester, which smells fruity. Release light energy, and this could be burning wood. A reaction may experience a color change, such as adding ammonia to copper sulfate, and this creates a dark blue precipitate. A reaction may produce a new substance with a different phase. For example, adding sodium hydrogen carbonate and copper sulfate solutions will create a solid copper carbonate precipitate. Some observations of physical change. While a phase change is pretty common, and this could be a boiling or freezing of a substance such as water. Dissolving a solute into a solvent, such as dissolving sugar into your tea.